ZW3D surface modeling. ZW3D provides hybrid modeling technology and good surface functions. Take telephone receiver for example. This is part of original model. There are widely used surface tools, such as UV curve mesh, FEM patch, and so on. Let's see this corner, 3 edges. To keep the tangent boundary, so firstly, I use the extrude feature to create a reference surface. And now I'll use FEM patch to create this 3-side surface. And important point, define the tangent boundary constraint. Pick the edges and surface at the tangent constraint. Also, do it again. Tangent. So, it is create a very smooth surface. Now, this side, it is a 5-side surface. So, it is the same operation. First, create a reference surface. Use extrude feature. And OK. Now next, FEM patch. Pick the boundary. This is 5 edges. And define the tangent constraint. The first side, the second, continue. This is the third one, tangent. So, OK. Now for this reference surface is unneeded. We can erase them. Now make a mirror operation. Pick the YZ datum to work as plane and sew them together with the healing functions. Pick all geometry and get it a single surface. With fill gap tools, we can very quickly to fill all gaps in this part. Now, OK, check it. The current model is a solid part. So, continue. We can do some other design. Cut it with this is a simple operation. Change. This is a reduce value. OK. Now add the filter feature. Adjust. This is a reduce a smaller one. So we get it. This is a base cost telephone receiver. Now turn on another loyal. There are some sketch geometry. Now we'll use this is closed sketch to cut. This is a model. OK. Also, this is surface unneeded. Erase them. So next, in the middle operation, we can use the UV curve match to create this is a transition surface. Define 2 groups of curve and another groups at the tangent, the constraint. So this surface is nice. And don't display this is edges. To see more beautiful, so we change the same color. And then to check it again. The whole surface part, looks very smooth. Also, we can use the analyze tools to check it again. According to the contour lines, we can define the surface quality. It is well. This is part. It is very good.